Locomotion in fluids, either swimming in water or flying in air, involves transfer of momentum between an animal and the fluid in which it lives. This interaction involves both inertial and viscous forces, and this means that locomotion will be governed by different rules depending upon whether the Reynolds number is large or small. Locomotion through water for small creatures takes place in a low Reynolds number regime. Creatures living at that scale live in an entirely different physical regime compared to animals like ourselves, which commonly move about in high Reynolds number regimes. Part of the challenge we'll face in this lecture is how to imagine life in this hard-to-imagine world, and to know how to analyze how locomotion is powered in that world. Again, the Reynolds number comes in handy. As you watch the lectures to follow, I want you to keep two things in mind. First, I want you to imagine what it must be like to live in a fluid environment that is dominated by viscosity rather than inertia. How do you power locomotion in such a regime? And what kinds of locomotory organs do you need? Even though this is largely an imaginative exercise, there is a scientific and quantitative basis for it, but it's the imagination that really opens your eyes. Second, I want you to keep your imaginative outlook as we explore the multiple ways that small organisms exploit viscosity to move effectively around their environments.